All right, with all these major hardware upgrades going on, we're gonna start turning the corner a little bit and thinking about the hydraulics. Now we're gonna do a major upgrade. This is Crown Performance brake hoses. Now, these are fantastic. We use these for all of our upgrades because they've got 5 layers in here. And don't be fooled by a lot of the offshore competition. They might make a lot of claims, but really what's happening in the Crown brand is you've got your inner Teflon, and you've got this Kevlar protective layer, and you've got a protective layer to the stainless, because we're usually thinking about the stainless, but there's a lot of stacking of layers in here, and you've got another protective layer over top of that stainless to keep that from not acting like a saw and cutting through things that it might be touching, but also keeping out the dirt and debris from in there that can work their way in. We've got a lot of different colors to choose from. We went with green to kind of match some of the theme that's already on there. Now these have a 1-piece end on them, which is fantastic. You'll see a lot of cheaper 2-piece construction on the fittings that can kind of break and fail on you. What's great about Crown, you can get any size and shape and fittings and ends that you need. So they're gonna have anything you need for your application. Just pick your colors and ends and lengths and you're set to go. All right, so we're gonna get these things kind of routed up and then we'll get our fluids in. We can do all the bleeding and whatnot and get this thing stopping like a champ.